Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Sandeep's Physics. Physics is a experiment that will be arranged in a economical order. Today, I discussed about my topic significant figure and rounding off the significant figure, and it is also uses in addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So now let's start our topic about significant figure. What do you mean by significant figure? The number of the digits, the number of the digits in a measured value about the correctness of which we are sure are known as significant figures. Also we called the digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit in a given number or digits is also called significant figures. Otherwise, we also called simply defined the most valuable digit in a number. The most valuable digit in a number, that is called significant figure. Suppose we have considered a cylinder and I give to measure the length of cylinder. The students are measuring the cylinder with a vernier caliper, that is the measuring instrument for the cylindrical body, spherical body. Otherwise, students are measured following experiments that are 1.53, 1.54, 1.56. So we have to consider from this following data the digits that are known reliably plus the first uncertain digit are known significant figures. These uncertain digit are also called significant figures, but first uncertain digit is called significant figures. Otherwise we call the most valuable digit in a number is called significant figure. For example, 100 is a most valuable digit is 100, but in case of 001 the most valuable digit is 1, but in case of 100 the most valuable digit is 100. Now I have teach about following rules about the significant figures. Following rules are: all the non-zero numbers are significant. For example, all the non-zero numbers are significant. For example, 1.23. In case of 1.23 contains 3 significant figure. Also 1567, in case of these digits, non-zero digits, are contains 4 significant figure. Second one is all the zeros occurring between two non-zero number. All the zeros between two non-zero numbers are significant figures. 4.003 are contains 4 significant figure. 4507 are contains 4 significant figure. 50008 are contains 1 2 3 4 5 5 significant figures. Then third one is leading zero or zeros are placed to the left of the number can never significant. For example, 0.023 contains 2 significant figure. 0.01 contains 1 significant figure. Because leading zero or zeros are placed to the left side of the number can never significant. Fourth one is trailing zero or zeros are placed to the right side of the number are significant. For example, 4.10 which contains 3 significant figures. 4.0050 are contains 1 2 3 4 5 significant figures. Trailing zero or the zeros are placed to the right side of the number are significant figure. 4.10 that contains 3 significant figure, 4.0050 that contains 5 significant figures. Or in case of, that is the fifth rule for the following are the observed in the quantity or the number of the measured value, that are the fifth number case is all zeros to the right side of the last, all zero to the right side of the last non-zero digit are not significant. For example, 2020, it contains 3 significant figure. Then last one, or the last rule for the measuring the number of the significant figure is the exponential notation, In case of exponential notation, sixth number case is, in case of exponential notation, there will be the numerical portion. In case of exponential notation, there will be the numerical portion be the significant figure. There will be the numerical portion be the significant figure. For example, 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 4. So there is the 1.23 is the numerical portion. So this, in this exponential notation, there will be 3 significant figure. Another example, 4.28 into 10 to the power minus 4. In case of the exponential notation, the numerical value portion will be the 4.28, and this will be the contains 3 significant figures. Now rounding of the significant figure. What do you mean by rounding of the significant figure? In the measurement, we use the following rules, and these rules are: first one is, if the digit is to be dropped is less than 5. If the digit is to be dropped is less than 5, the preceding digit is left unchanged. For example, x equal to 7.82. That one is less than 5. So the preceding digit for the rounding off is 7.8. This one is the first case. Then second rule is, if the digit is to be dropped is more than 5, the preceding digit is raised by 1. For example, x equal to 6.87. This one is more than 5. So the rounding of the figure is 6.9. Then third one is, if the digit is to be dropped is 5 followed by the digit other than 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. For example, 16.351, this one is raised by 1, then the preceding digit is 16.4 for the rounding of the significant figures. Then fourth rule is, if the digit is to be dropped is 5 followed by 0, then the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even. X equal to 3.250, this is 0 and this is the even number, so the preceding digit left unchanged. The rounding off for the figure is 3.2. Then final rule for the rounding off, if the digit is to be dropped is 5 followed by 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. For example, x equal to 3.750. For rounding of this figure, according to this rule, this one is 0 and this one is odd. So the rounding off for this significant figure is 3.8. Now we have all the significant figures and subtract. This is the rule for a very important rule for a significant figure. The result of an addition or subtraction in the number having different decisions should be reported to the same number of decimal places as are present in the number having the least number of the decimal places. For example, 33.30, 3.11, 0.313. Then we add the following data will be get 56.725, and this is the rounding of the figure because the least number of decimal places is 3.11 or 0.33. So we have to consider 36.7. The least number is 3-digit number in this case. So the rounding of this figure 36.7. In case of subtraction, we have to 62.831 subtracted by 24.5492, then we get the following result 38.2818. Then we give the rounded by the figure 38.282 because the least number of decimal places is 62831. So we have to consider 38.82, and this one is 2 for the case. This is the more than 5. So we have to consider 38.282. Now multiplication and division for the significant figure. The answer to a multiplication or division is rounded off to the same number of the significant figures as is possessed by the least precise term used in the calculation. Least precise term in the calculation. So we have to multiply 51.028 multiplied by 1.31. The final result we get 66.8466. According to the rule, that is the rounded of the same number of the significant figure as is possessed by the least precise term used in the calculation. So least precise term in this calculation will be the 1.31. So we have to consider 66.8. This is the rounded of this multiplication of the two significant figures. Then for the example of the division, we have to divide 0.90 divided by 4.26, and the result we get 0.2112676. And according to the formula or the rule for the multiplication division of the rounded off, the rounded of the same number of the significant figures as is possessed by the least precise term used in the calculation, that is the 0.90. In this significant figure we have contains two significant numbers. So from the given formula we get 0.21 is the rounded off for the division case, and this was the result for us. Today class is over, my dear students. Hope we will enjoy my class. Thank you, my dear students. Take care.